So one of the things we always get asked about is the food wastage problem real? It's real, it's a problem, and here at Soft Robotics, we solve that problem every day. Hello, I'm Carl Vause. I'm his Chief Executive Officer of Soft Robotics Incorporated, a small robotics startup in Bedford, Massachusetts, changing the way that we get robots to interact with everyday items. So why Soft Robotics? The problem is robots are really bad interacting with objects. And the way the robot community has spent decades is building what I like to call the Terminator hand. And you've probably seen these before, it's all these metal joints, and there's all these sensors, and we've been trying to recreate the human hand. So why are we trying to solve for one of the most complex structures in the world when there's very good things that are very simple that pick up objects very well? The octopus. And so if you think about it, an octopus can pick up just about anything, but it does it a little bit differently than we do. They just gently wrap around something, they envelop it, and they pick it up. The Soft Robotics system just automatically adjusts and grasps. You can put your hand in sideways and it will just gently squeeze it. And so we're picking things up like an octopus would pick things up. It sounds contrite, but it's actually unbelievably complex and simple at the same time. So one of the areas of robotics that is really fast growing is food. Food wastage is a major, major problem. And I can tell you I've personally seen 20, 30, 40% food wastage in supply chain and processing. The problem is in the developed economies, we don't have enough people to do these jobs. And so I have a couple days to harvest my strawberries, but then it has to go into a packaging facility where it's sorted, it's washed. All of that requires human labor at this point. The entire food supply chain is mostly reliant upon humans. This is where robotics are really a sustainable initiative, because now I know I can automate my packaging. With Soft Robotics, we've been able to automate the packaging of food, whether it's tomatoes, baked goods, strawberries, corn on the cob, to ensure that every piece of food, whether farm or grown, gets through the supply chain to your customer. Now, where do I see this technology going? Is we're very interested in humans and robots working together. Working alongside the robot is really important because there's a huge area where we want robot co-workers. A lot of times at Soft Robotics, we talk about the human-robot alliance. It's not robots taking jobs, it's humans doing human work that require all the smarts and the skills that we have, and robots doing maybe the more mundane type of jobs. But you have to have a robot co-worker that's going to be safe to work around. And so with Soft Robotics, we both can handle all the items, but we can work safely alongside people. I fundamentally believe if you get the right people together, they're motivated, and you give them a big enough problem, they'll solve it. And so going after those big problems, if that's the definition of ambitious, I think we're a very ambitious company.